everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Welcome back to another day of October. Today, I'm gonna show you my room. This is my room. I live in the basement in my parents' house because I am a basement dweller. So yeah, if you just wanna see what my room looks like in more detail and everything, then just keep on watching. So this is the entrance of my room. I guess I'll start on this side. I just keep my robes. I just have my like fluffy robe and then my black robe here, my bathing towel, and then this is my hot tub towel just laid across my treadmill, which I don't use that often. I don't know, I rather run outside, so I don't know why it's still here, but yeah. And then at the bottom here I keep my yoga mat, my weights, and my like elastic band thing that I help use in yoga because I'm not very flexible. But yeah, so that's what I have over here. And then on this side, I'm just gonna cover that up. Sorry, I had my address on it. I have my filing cabinet because I am cool like that. I keep all of my bills and everything important's kind of in there, and I decided to decorate it with marble because I had extra contact paper from my desk, so that's what I did. That is a painting I did. I did a paint night, and yeah, it was a lot of fun, but I really like my trees. I think my trees look really good, and I also did this left-handed, so I thought that was pretty good. I'm ambidextrous, but I don't really do all that much with my left hand. Like, I guess I'm more dominant on my right hand, but I can write with my left hand. So I decided, let me see if I can paint with my left hand, and this is what I got. So I'm pretty proud of the trees. I think they look really good, but that just reminds me of the heat miser guy, his hair. But yeah, so that's that. And then on top I have my bottle of gin. This is my backup gin that my sister got me for my birthday. I have some fake flowers. I have Sound of Music thing. Ooh, and some money. I don't know what that's from, but okay, I'll take it soon, because I don't know. This is pretty much just my tray of things I need to take upstairs. And then coming on this side, this is my desk. It is very messy right now. I'm doing a puzzle. This is what it's going to look like. Kind of excited for that. I mean, that looks kind of cool. But yeah, it's taken me a lot longer than I thought I would, because, you know, you can't do a puzzle in half an hour. But this is what I've done so far. It's not too bad, but pretty much just keep everything else on here. It's just a giant desk to hold things and all the cups I need to take upstairs as well. So that's there, and then underneath my desk I have my dehumidifier. I have this bin has all of my holiday stuff in it, so I don't know if I can take it out, but that's all my Christmas and summer stuff are in there now. I have some bags, like garbage bags and stuff. I have a calendar in there for next year. I have my travel. This is kind of just like a junk, everything that doesn't go places. But in here, this is where my packing cubes are all packed up in there. Curling shoes. Fun fact, I used to curl, so yeah. That's just kind of my junk, everything's in there. And then flipping around, this is what this corner of my room looks like. I have all of my shoes here. Looking in there, I have a pair of sneakers that I got from Topshop. I have my red boots. I have my loafers from H&M, or those boots are from Topshop. Those shoes are from Zara, I wore those to a wedding. Those mules are from Old Navy, Marshalls, Payless, and then I have my Steve Madden Gucci lookalike slides, or loafers, Nike shoes, Adidas shoes, Nike shoes. So yeah, that's all in there. Then I have my one of my filming lights is up there. Then there's my calendar tucked behind there. This is a Barbie calendar and I just thought it was so cute. So that's up there. My lamp. Then coming on this side, this is my really cute corner. I like it. It has all of my like fancier clothes, I guess. Like a turtleneck. I have my leather jacket. I have this this bodysuit. It looks bomb. It's so cute. And yeah, that's all my dresses and kind of stuff that I like to keep on here. Yeah, don't need to go through all of them. Most of them I've shown before in hauls or in like lookbooks and stuff. But that's that. The rack is from IKEA. It's just a nice clothing rack. Oh, hi. Then that painting is, or not painting, that picture is from HomeSense. The rug is from IKEA. That's a puzzle of the London tube system. That one's actually really cool. It was a pretty easy puzzle to do. But yeah, so that's it there. And then this Mamma Mia, let me move the skirt, this Mamma Mia photo or frame I found at Valley Village, so that was kind of cool. And that lamp is from IKEA as well. Moving over here, that long mirror is from Yisk. That flower type thing is from HomeSense. Bin is from IKEA, the magazine, it's a Vogue magazine, and then there's a shawl, like a reading shawl behind it. Then there's a bin, this thing I got for Christmas a few years ago, but I'm pretty sure it's from HomeSense, that just holds all extra sheets and towels and all that stuff. So then coming up into my windowsill, I have a sweater weather candle from Bath & Body Works. I have my plant. I have not named it yet, so let me know down below what I should name it. Then there's that one. I can't remember what I named it. Oh my gosh. I keep forgetting about this plant. Honestly, I thought it died like a few months ago, but it's still kicking. And then there's my E that my mom got me from Indigo. And then my lights. They're very dim lights, but they're kind of cute. So yeah, so that's what I have over here. Then moving on, I have another clothing rack because you can't have too much clothes, with just kind of clothes that, like, mostly my pants, a few jackets, mostly my summer stuff. Actually, this bag, this Mac bag, is full of clothes, and a few of these clothes I've posted up on my Depop, and no one's really looked at it. So if you're watching this and you like some of these clothes, like I think, like that's on there, it's never been worn. This dress is on there. I think that's on there, I'm not too sure. But if you like any of those stuff, there's a lot of like professional, like business casual clothes in there. Yeah, I'll leave my Depop down below if you want to check it out. But pretty much I'm just waiting to sell those. If not, I'm just gonna go take them to Valley Village or something. But yeah, so that's what I have. Another clothing rack, again from IKEA. Then I have another lamp, or a filming light. And then there's my Christmas lights from Canadian Tire. And this is just my main part of my bedroom. So yeah, so next to the desk that I just showed you is my chair from IKEA. Pillows from IKEA as well. I have my reading socks, my old man cardigan, and my indigo blanket on there. And underneath I keep all of my purses. And then I have all my books. That plant is from HomeSense. And then in here I keep this kind of just like my junk drawer. It's basically just filled with a bunch of Sudokus, honestly. And then underneath there's another bag, or a box full of my bags. I need to take out the trash. Under here, this candle I got at Indigo, I think. Then there's the Apple TV. Oh, there's my lighter. I was looking for that. I had to go borrow one from upstairs. But in here I keep all of my electronics, like my camera equipment, batteries, memory cards, all that stuff. Then here's another junk drawer. I went to Valley Village and look at all the DVDs I picked up, because I'm cool like that. Now I have all the Sex and the City stuff, so I'm excited to watch that. Then I filmed this. I just forgot to put them away properly, but those are all my books that I've been reading and liking lately. Actually, I haven't read that yet. I need to. But yeah, my clock is from the dollar store, I think. And then there's a set of string lights that I need to replace the batteries for, but those go all the way down there. And then there's a map of the world, like a scratch map that I need to continue scratching, because I've been to most of the east side of Canada and the States, so I need to scratch all that off. And over here I have my like vanity kind of looking thing. All these are like Tumblr photos that I've printed off. The lamp is from HomeSense. There's my plant, 2 plants, makeup brushes, and then I've also done a video of my makeup collection, so you can go check that out if you want to see more in depth of what's on my makeup. And this desk is here. I actually made this desk, so you can go check it out. I just spray painted the sides and then put on contact paper, so if you want to know how to do that, go check that out. There's my salt lamp, glasses, coffee, phone, laptop, all that. And then that candle there is from Indigo. But yeah, and then there's my chair. This is from Lord and Taylor, I think. It's just a comfy shawl. I got it for Christmas a few years ago. And pillow. Underneath, there's my bin of like all memory stuff. My laundry basket. Then in here, I keep all of my like essential oils with my diffuser. That picture is from Indigo, the frame is from IKEA, that thing's from HomeSense, and then there's a little pumpkin, and then I was supposed to put the Bloom book, Estee Lauder also goes there, but then there's all my jewelry and a deck of cards behind it, and then all of my hair stuff is in there. Yeah, then there's all of my October videos. These prints are actually from a calendar. I got them on sale at Calendar Club, so that's where the prints are from. Then I have my set of lights. That pot is from HomeSense, and the grass plant thing is from IKEA. It's fake. There's my giant mirror and a picture of my brothers and I. They're so cute. But yeah, so that's in there. And then this bin is from HomeSense, and the magazines I just got. One's a Martha Stewart one of autumn or like fall stuff. And then yeah, and then here is in the inside of my drawer. But yeah, this plant, this is Marley. It's so cute. It's just a fake plant from IKEA. My lamp is here. In here I like to keep my nail polishes, Q-tips, nail polish remover. Underneath is some of the, some things I like to keep, like makeup or skincare stuff, I mean. So I have my like drying lotions for my acne. I have the Laneige sleeping mask. I have some lip balms. I have a lotion. I have another lip mask and my deodorant and Vaseline. And then in there is all like stuff for when I have my period. So like pads, tampons, all that fun stuff. And this is my bed. So on the top, I guess I'll go up here. That's my plant candle. Keep my expired change in there. Another candle. This is the top. I love these sayings. It says, life is tough, my darling, but so are you. And inhale and exhale. 2 candles on there. I need to clean this one because it's getting like burning on there, and I need to like not have that. In here I keep, what do I have in here? I have an eye mask, like a sleeping mask. I have a pillow spray, and I have a lip balm. I have my micro needling pen, and I have my jade roller, which I absolutely love doing that before going to bed. And I have my Apple knockoff pod thing. I just like to, if I'm listening and meditating and stuff, I just like to pop that in. And then I have my string lights. These are from HomeSense, and they have little leaves on them, and I think they're cute. And this is my autumn bed setup. I have my bunny that my mom got me for my birthday. I think that's really cute, and it's so soft. Oh my gosh. But the pillow behind the bunny, his name is Peter, by the way. My friends were like, why don't you name your plants, but you don't name your bunny? So his name is Peter, like Peter Rabbit, because I'm very original. The pillowcase is from IKEA, and then the red pillowcase is also from IKEA. The gray one is from HomeSense. The bedding is from IKEA. It's just plain white. My grandma got me this. Oh, that's from my camera. My grandma got me this blanket for Christmas a few years ago. I don't know where it's from. And then this bed tray is from IKEA as well. So yeah, and then that plant is also from HomeSense. Or no, from IKEA. But yeah, this is my room. Sorry, it's just a lot of me talking. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely love my room. I spend most of my time in here, and it's so nice. You gotta love the space you're in. So yeah, I've put a lot of work into it. This place did not look like this beforehand. And yeah, I'm just really happy with it all. So yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye!